your website could talk to every visitor, qualify leads, book appointments, and answer questions 24 hours a day while you sleep. That's exactly what a chatbot does. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build one with zero coding skills and how you can charge other businesses to do it for them. This channel is all about real online business ideas for people who are ready to put in some work to stop scrolling and start building. If that's you, subscribe because I will be sharing new ideas every week. Here's what we're covering today. 1. Landbot, the tool we shall be using to create our chatbot. 2. How to build your first chatbot step-by-step. 3. How to find clients that need chatbots. 4. Exactly how to turn this skill into a paid service. Let us get started. So you will go to your browser and type landbot.io, click on the first search result that appears, and create your account. It is free. You only need an email and a password for this. If you have no account, click Get Started and feed in your email and a password. After your account is created, it's time to build the chatbot. But before you build, you need to know what kind of chatbot to build, if it's needed or not. So we shall start by doing some little research. Go to Claude.ai and put in this prompt. Give me a list of 10 salon and spa business websites in Kampala that do not have a chatbot. Give me their email ID and LinkedIn and websites. You can do this for other service businesses as well, like tour and travel companies, agencies, law firms, etc. So here is a list of the spas/salons that have websites but have no chatbots. Let's click on the provided website links and see if it's actually true. As you can see, there is no chatbot on this website. Let's check the second one. This is a very fancy website, but still no chatbot, meaning customers are being lost in the process, since there's no direct way to easily communicate to the salon. Now that we have confirmed that these fancy spas do not have chatbots, let's go ahead and build it for them. Keep in mind that you can do this for any other business, not just salons. So let us go back to Landbot. Under your workspace, click this red button that says Build an Agent. Ignore the rest and select Web since we are building a chatbot for a website. Click Build It for me and type in or paste in your prompt, describing the exact kind of chatbot you would like to create. If the business you are making the chatbot for already has a website, that makes things easier. Include the business website address within the prompt. This will enable Landbot to get the information about the services offered, the prices, and more to include in the chatbot. If the business doesn't have a website, you can include the name you would like to give the chatbot and other details. In case you're not sure about what prompt to use, just ask Claude to give you one. This takes seconds. After you have put in your prompt, click Generate, and in less than 5 minutes, your chatbot will be ready. As you can see, this shows you step by step what takes place when a customer interacts with the chatbot. You can edit some parts out or add in more steps, depending on what information you want the chatbot to handle. Now let's test our chatbot and see how it works. Assume you are the customer and type in a question. Instantly, it answers. So when you have tested and you are sure that the chatbot works, go to the list of created chatbots and select your recent one and click this icon. It's the share icon. It will lead you to this page where you can choose how you want to share the chatbot link or choose to copy the chatbot link and share it separately via email or any other way you prefer. You can send this to a potential client for review and testing. If they need more steps added, you can always edit the chatbot to their liking. You can start this today for free using Landbot, which gives you 2 free trials. And these are enough for you to create sample chatbots for your profile to show potential clients. You can always upgrade to paid plans depending on the need when you get paying clients. And if you have a business, you can do this for your own business too. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.